Hey everybody, this is Dan Petrock. This is the week 11 update video for statistics spring 2013. Just got done with spring break and looking forward to these last 5 weeks. I just wanted to give you a little tour of what we need to be working on here these next few weeks. Remember in chapters 7 through 9, if you go here, there's a lot of videos over these topics, and we've gone through proportions and means, and then now this week we're doing two sample proportions and two sample means. And there's these videos here over formula sheets and tables, and I've got this one right here that I've created, and I actually put this as a link in your update email this week. A little video describing the t-distribution, and there's this one right here. I'm sorry, how to use the t-table. That's the one I'd really encourage you. But honestly, you should take some time and watch all of these that I've linked in here. These are very useful with each of these topics. You know, if you feel comfortable with one proportion, confidence intervals, and hypothesis tests, you know, don't do that. But if you need a little help, this pretty much covers everything on these chapters 7 through 9. All these videos, like here's in means. Here's some examples, and these are worth the watch. And then if you go back to chapters 7 through 9, the formula sheets are here. So this is where you can download the stats formula sheet you'd be using for these chapters. There's the Z table, you'll still be using that, and then there's the new T table. If you take a look at that, if you watch my video of this, it kind of describes how we're going to use this T table, and I would encourage you to print one off as well. But pretty much each one of these, if you notice here at the bottom, as sample sizes get bigger, it looks almost identical to the Z distribution. So this is a table of using smaller sample sizes and doing similar inferences that we used with the Z table. Close that. All right. And back here in 7 through 9. So and again, we have the old tests here with the videos and everything. You're going to want to be looking at that, you know, not this week, but maybe next week. Make sure you're, you know, kind of feel comfortable with what's going to be in the exam. But really want to encourage you to hit the videos and hit the formula sheets, and then also our last two discussion boards. If you go to discussion board questions, I've gotten a few people that have submitted a link to a study and then answering your own question with a hypothesis test. So I would encourage you to, you know, give those a shot. I can give you feedback and then keep reworking them until you get them all correct. So that's what we're really focusing on here. The test will be that second week in April. I'd like everybody to take it by the 9th of April, and then the final is actually, I think, given on the 26th of April, which, you know, only gives us about 2.5, 3 weeks there to finish up the last few chapters and get ready for that final. So it'll come very quickly. You know, if you have any questions, email me. Hope you can make the Tuesday night office hours. I'll be probably having, you know, some review sessions again on Fridays, that Friday before on April 5th. Probably have another one. So hope you have a good day, and you know, work hard. These last few chapters are the toughest. These chapters 7 through 9, I think, are the most difficult and will require the most time, but they are the most important and will be the most types of questions in the final will be actually over chapters 7 through 9. So have a great week, and we'll talk to you later.